ClickFix Shortcodes are designed to be used on your Ontraport pages to enhance user experience in a variety of ways. We've broken them down into 4 different categories: show hide elements, conditional shortcodes, data manipulation, and miscellaneous. Each category has a number of different shortcodes that can be used to add different functionality or to change the output of your pages according to the desired result. Most of the shortcodes can be nested to further customize how your page acts based on user interaction or other parameters that you define. The case study video and additional videos in the different subsections will go into more detail, but here's a general overview of what to expect from each category. As the name suggests, the show and hide elements category lists shortcodes that can show or hide elements. This can be done on page load, or you can nest these shortcodes inside of a conditional shortcode so that the element is shown or hidden based on user input, page interactions, URL parameters, or a number of other possible options. For example, you can have a field hidden by default and then shown when a button is clicked, such as hiding a checkout form until the visitor clicks the Add to Cart button. The conditional shortcodes category gives you the option to show text output or to trigger additional ClickFix shortcodes based on things such as anchor links, bump checkboxes, and form values. For example, you could show a billing address set of form fields if a checkbox called billing address is the same as shipping address is unchecked during the checkout. Nesting the show and hide element shortcodes inside of conditionals will likely be where you spend most of your creative energy. The data manipulation category allows you to create dynamic Ontraport pages that react to information passed from URL parameters that you define. That means you can fill in existing form fields and or use values from the URL to create merge fields on the page that automatically update. For example, if you include the first name as part of the URL, you could not only have it pre-fill the first name field of a form, but you could also use their name as part of a paragraph or headline to further personalize the user experience. Our miscellaneous category is the catch-all for shortcodes that don't fit into the other 3 categories. Here you'll find special features that will do a variety of things, from affecting the layout of the page, such as creating tabs from blocks, to adding time delays to specific page elements. It also houses convenient functions such as a shortcode that displays the year, which is especially good for evergreen web pages and keeping footer copyright dates current. Please remember that to use any of these shortcodes, you must do 2 things. First, you'll need to register the domain where you want the shortcodes to appear to your ClickFix account. You can do this by visiting Settings, Manage Domains, and then entering in the domain or the URL where you want your shortcodes to function. Make sure that the active tab is selected and then click the Submit button. Once that's done, you'll have to copy and paste the shortcode snippet to the actual Ontra page where you want the shortcodes to be active. This is found inside of your Ontraport account on the specific Ontraport page that you want to use the shortcodes under Settings, Custom Code, Header Code. Be sure to click the Done button before you click Save in order to make sure that all of the changes and the addition of the snippet have been saved. And that's it. Once that's done, you should see your ClickFix shortcodes working and you can get started building out all of your enhanced Ontraport pages.